third brake light's not working, which is right there. Okay. How do you get that thing out of there? Where's the bulbs? Is it the whole assembly? Just by looking at it, no screws, nothing. There's something there, it looks like a screw. I'm not sure what that is. Do you have to take the whole housing off or the whole spoiler? You have to go in from the back? If you look very closely at the light, they've got a little door right here and one on the other side right here. Get you a little flat screwdriver or a pick or something, and that door will pop right off. And there is a Phillips head screw. Do this one same way. Be careful because those things will, tabs will break. There, another Phillips head screw. Let's take those off and see what we have. All right, both screws are out. Doesn't come out very easily. We might have to pry. Looks like the lip, this lip is covering up the light. Yeah, let me investigate. All right, so what it is, that lip is covering up the light. So the spoiler is covering up the lip of the light. So you have to push up on the spoiler like that and the light will come out like that. And there it is. And that would be your bulb in there. Look how dirty that is. Wow. Dusty. So there's the bulb, which just pulls right out. Like that. Of course it's a bulb I don't have. It says Stanley 12 volt 921. I don't know if that's the bulb size. Yeah, it's an odd. There's the brake light. I don't know if that's the part number or not. It says Honda on the back. Now I get to go to the auto parts store because I don't have a bulb for this. Yay! Well, let's see if it's working.